Today, Helma is asking about her website that was flagged as spam and is unsure how to fix it. Well, if you're uncertain about a web spam manual action on your website, I strongly recommend going to our Webmaster Help forums to get input from peers. In the forums, you'll find folks who have seen lots and lots of sites with issues that resulted in web spam manual actions, and you'll get input on things that you can either improve or fix on your website. When you go there, make sure to include all of the information you have about your website. Explain the original issue and what you've done since then to clean up. I recommend not trying to hide anything about your website. Everyone makes mistakes at some point. That's fine. The important part is that it's a lot easier for folks to help if you're honest about what has happened so far. Sometimes the input you'll get isn't easy to take in, especially if you've spent a lot of time just focusing on that one website. But regardless, I find it's always useful to get external opinions from folks who have seen a lot of different websites. Once you've made significant changes to clean things up, go ahead and file a reconsideration request. Detail the changes that you've made, perhaps even link to the forum thread for more context. These reconsideration requests are reviewed by the Webspam team manually, so be clear about what you submit without overloading it with unnecessary details. I hope this helps. I'll see you in one of the next episodes of Ask Google Webmasters.